How to enable two-factor authentication in Deriv Go. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you want to make your account extra secure, then you can enable two-factor authentication. First of all, launch open Deriv Go app on your device and make sure you're logged in using your usual credential. From the home page, go to the upper right corner and tap on your profile icon. Now, from the expanded menu that appears on the screen, select Account Settings. Now, click on the two-factor authentication option at the bottom. In order to enable two-factor authentication, download the app Google Authenticator or Authy on your mobile device. Once you do that, go ahead and open up your Google Authenticator or Authy app. Now click on the plus icon at the bottom right corner and click on Scan a QR code or click on Enter a setup key. If you've selected Scan QR code, go ahead and scan this QR code over here from the Deriv Go app. If you're using the same device, copy the code that has been generated at the bottom and paste it inside your key tab in your Google Authenticator or Authy app. Now under account name, let's go ahead and type in Deriv Go so that it can be recognizable later. Select the type of the key, which is time-based or counter-based according to your preference. I'm just going to select time-based and click add. Now once you do that, you'll be able to add Deriv Go in your Google Authenticator or Authy app. Go ahead and select the code that has been generated by Deriv Go. Get back to the Deriv Go app and paste in the key inside this Authenticator code app and click enable. Right after you do that, you have successfully enabled two-factor authentication on your Deriv Go app. Once the code is verified and the two-factor authentication is active, every time you log in, you'll need your password and the code from your Authenticator app. And that's it. Your Deriv Go account is extra secure. You can trade with confidence, knowing your account has a super strong layer of protection. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.